In primetime news this evening, disturbing details about the relationship between slain policeman and his wife. A family member of the deceased speaks out.
Search intensifies for missing Deputy Commissioner of Corrections.
And later, pay up. NIC seeking to recover over $100 million in debt. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, this evening we have the latest data from the TVJ. And guess what? Jamaica's economic growth has exceeded pre-pandemic levels. That and more in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer. He's here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, a Jamaican female sprint hurdler has picked up a 4-month doping ban, which she has already served. We'll tell you the details in Primetime Sports later.
And to some better news. I've been told, Herman, that it is raining. Romain, what is happening outside?
Yes, we are still having some shower activity as a result of the trough system across the area. We had up to about 40 millimeters in some parts of St. Mary today. We had some in the corporate area as well as some traces further west. We expect more tomorrow and we expect even more on Thursday.
I like that. More. Still to come. Well, also in this newscast, E-Prime and sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What more do you think can be done to reduce cases of domestic violence?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
All right, please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.